A U.S.-based architectural firm with 65 years of experience in providing museum-quality exhibit works needed to create display cabinets for a historic museum in Virginia. The firm required 3D CAD models and 2D millwork shop drawings to be generated from architectural layouts of the display cabinets. The client was experiencing challenges like high workload, lack of skilled resources, and multiple design iterations, leading to project delays. Architectural firm partnered with Hitech. The partnership streamlined collaboration and enhanced communication across the shop floor, resulting in access to millwork drafting specialists, reduced in-house tasks, accelerated design cycles facilitated by technology application, leading to project completion on time and within budget. So, how did our team achieve it? Our millwork specialists began by analyzing the inputs. AutoCAD and Autodesk Vault achieved enhanced design collaboration across stakeholders, which was essential to reducing design reworks and turnaround time. We accelerated the process by following a systematic and structured workflow. The competency of our millwork specialists in selecting veneers, making material choices, joinery and furniture construction, and bespoke furniture manufacturing enhanced project efficiency and pushed the project full force forward. Our team successfully delivered accurate models and manufacturing drawings, along with detailed joinery drawings and installation instruction guide. Our millwork experts can take your millwork projects to shorter design curves and lower budgets. To achieve this, get in touch with us today.